our lecture we have to do the kinds of the brackets. The use of the bracket takes us to a new order of operation, that is BODMAS. This means that the operation inside the brackets come before ORDMAS. Now if you are going to follow the order of operation for doing the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, but if we have to understand the concept of brackets, then our operation will be converted into BODMAS. Or even inside the brackets we follow the same order, ORDMAS. If there is a order of operation which is inside the bracket, we have to follow the ORDMAS first rule, then we can solve the bracket. Okay, so we have the three different kinds of the brackets. These are known as the box brackets or square brackets or big brackets. Okay, these are known as curly or braces. These are known as simple, round or parentheses or the small brackets. Okay, and the known as line brackets for vernacular are not commonly, these are not commonly used in the calculations. Okay, they probably on the numbers, same like as a bar. Okay, so here we have very often we use more than one set of brackets. In such cases, the expression within the brackets are simplified in the order. First one, we have this vernacular, then we have small bracket, then we have curly bracket, and then we have the biggest bracket which is square bracket. This is the order of the brackets. Okay,
And it shows me like camera is this.
keep to remember that there is an order of pair to solve the bracket. First one is the bar. Okay, which will be on the above the number. Okay, then we have to solve the small brackets, then curly brackets, and then square bracket. So example number 7, simplify 48 divided by 16 bracket into minus 4 plus 4. So firstly we have to solve the bar, that is on the 4 plus 4. Okay, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now 16 minus 8. Now we have to solve the brackets. Okay, we have to solve the bracket. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Then we have, when the bracket is solved, we have to remove the bracket, then we have to divide the 48 with 8, then the answer will be 6. Now you have to open your textbook, your rough register, you have to mention topic, kinds of brackets, and you have to write the rules to solve the bracket is BODMAS, and you have to draw this thing that shows the first one order, second, third and fourth, and 3. Example number 8, we have the 3 brackets collectively, first one, second one and the third one. An expression just looks like, now you have to remember this, there is a question, then you have to put a brackets in their ORDMAS rule. Okay, first one is 100, then minus, they start from square brackets, a big brackets. Remember that if you have to start the bracket from one side, then you have to end into another side. Okay, there is 20 plus, then we have the curly bracket 50, then we have the minus, then we close the 40 10 into simple brackets, then we put the curly brackets, then we put the square bracket. This is just like this. See, if we have to start from the square brackets, then our number, then we have to put the curly brackets. Okay, that will be like this. Then I have to put this small bracket which will be like this. Then here I have to close a small bracket, then after that I have to close the curly bracket, then after that I have to close the big bracket. This is the method to represent order of brackets. Okay, remember that if we have to start the square will end here. If we have to start the curly will end here. If I have to start the parenthesis will end here. Okay, okay, now look at the question number 8. This one is a tricky, but if we are able to solve this, then it will become easier for us. Okay, so first thing we have to solve the which bracket.
Which bracket?
Yes, which bracket?
The first we have to solve the curly bracket.
40 into 10, very good, and we got the answer 30. Now after that we have to put that 30 with 50. Okay, let me write here, then I will explain you each and everything, why, which is happening, what is happening in every single step. Okay,
Okay.
so the question is 100 minus, can you help me to write the question?
Okay, 100 minus last in order bracket.
100 minus
4. No, it's not 4. I meant like it is the bracket.
okay, 100 minus which bracket?
Known as box bracket.
Box or square bracket. Okay, after that
20 plus and then curly bracket. 50 minus circle bracket. Um, 40 minus 10
okay,
circle bracket.
now I have to close. Next,
Yeah. And then it is the curly bracket
okay,
and then square bracket.
square bracket. Now we know that the order of the solving the bracket is start from the smallest, then the biggest, then the biggest one. Okay, now first I have to solve this order, the remaining will remain same. Okay, just like this, 100 here will be same, minus 20 plus curly bracket 50. Now I have to solve this order, and then answer I got is 30. I got 30, so minus sign will be here same, and 30, the bracket will go off. If we have to solve the operation inside the bracket will remove. Okay, and I got the 30 here. Now I have to put only two brackets, curly and square. Now after that I have to solve the which bracket?
Curly.
Curly bracket. Now 50 minus 30,
50 minus 30 is 20.
20. Now which sign will here? Which sign will be used here? Plus or minus?
It will be minus.
How?
Plus.
Plus,
Times
because
minus.
50 has the plus. Because 50 has a plus sign, 30 has a minus sign, and answer is 20, but the biggest value has the plus sign. Okay,
Oh, okay.
and 20 also has the plus sign here. You can see that 20 also has the plus sign. Now we have to solve this square bracket. 100, 20 minus 20, 20 plus 20,
20 plus 20 is 40.
40. Now we have to solve this operation. 100 minus 40,
There's 70. Nothing like 60.
60. Is my answer is correct? Yes, it is. Okay, so this is the way you have to solve these questions. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
now move to the question number 9, example number 9. So 18
Okay.
divided by 3, 8 minus 3, 4 minus 2 plus 1. You have to write this on your notebook. You have to close your textbook, then you have to start it. Okay,
Okay. Where's my which question did I do? 9, right?
yes, example number 9.
Can you write it on the screen?
No, I will explain it to you. It is difficult for you. Okay, I will explain it to you. Okay, let me explain it. Now can you help me to write the question?
Yes, 18 divided by 3
18
divided by
18 divided by
3
3
box bracket it's box bracket.
box bracket,
And then 8 minus 3,
8 minus 3,
circle bracket,
which bracket? Simple bracket.
circle,
Okay,
4 minus 2,
4 minus 2.
and then close it with the square bracket,
Okay,
and then plus 1.
plus 1. Now look at this example carefully. Okay, first operation we have to solve this one.
Yeah,
Yes, 18 divided by 3, then 8 minus 3, answer will be 4 minus 2, answer will be
2.
2. So what we have to do here? No,
Now
3.
you should remove the bracket.
If we open the bracket, then what will be the operation we'll solve here with 3 and 2? I told you about this, that the bracket, if the bracket is square, if the bracket is curly, if the bracket is small, they all shows which operation? They all shows multiplication. Okay, they all shows multiplication. So if you have a digit inside and out, if we have to do the solution of them, then we can simply do the multiplication between these numbers. For example, look at here. Now here we have an example, 3 into 2. So we can simplify 3 with 2, then we have to do the multiplication here. The answer will be 6. 3 2s are 6. Okay, so 18 divided square bracket 18. We solve this, the multiplication, 3 2s are 6 and then plus 1. Now you have to do this, we have to solve this bracket, then 18. Yes,
After that, it will 8 minus 6 is 2.
2, very good, 2, and then we have plus 1. Now we have to follow the division rule first, and then we have to do the addition. Now 18 divided by 2,
Divided by 2 is 9.
9. 9 plus 1,
10.
10. Is my answer is correct?
How do I check that?
No, wait. 3 2s are 6. If we have 3 2s are 6, then 8 minus 6,
It's 2.
they 1 minute. Then we have to do this, the 8 minus 6. Wait.
So it says it's 4.
Wait, we just did we missed the 3. Look here, I didn't write the 3 here. We did a mistake, we missed this number 3. Simply if I have to start from this equation, like 18 divided by 3, then we have 8 minus 6 and plus 1. Okay, now I have to do the 18 divided by 3. 8 minus 6,
2.
8 minus 6,
2.
2. Yes, 2. Then we have to do the here also multiplication. 3 2s are 6. Now we have to do the division first. 16 into 18 divided by 3. 3 plus 1, 4. I just missed this number, then that's why my answer got wrong. Now I solved it correctly. Now I have the correct answer. Okay,
Okay.
now I hope you understood the sign of multiplication. You have to see on the page, when brackets are used in a place of a multiplication symbol, the brackets take predominance over both multiplication and division. Okay, because the brackets take dominity, they become dominant on the division and multiplication. They solve their self first, then they solve the other rules. Okay, simply on the question number 10, example number 10, we have 15 plus 9 divided by 3 minus into 5 multiplied by 3, then minus 5. You have to write this whole question and then you have to solve this question step by step. Okay, write the question and you have to close your textbook. Okay,
Okay.
while you're doing, you have to explain it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now we have to do the exercise 2b. Okay, I will help you, then we have to do this exercise. Can we start?
So I
Yeah.
have to A.
Yes, you have to open your you have opened your rough register. You have to mention date, day, and exercise 2b, question number 1. Okay,
Okay.
we have to start from the question number 1. When you're done, you just have to write the question number 1, then I will explain it to you, then you have to write it. Okay,
Yeah, I don't question number 1.
you wrote it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to start. The first question is, you have to help me here to
Like,
writing.
I'm supposed to write like the 70 plus 2 times 5.
No, we have to follow the proper rule. There is a off sign here. Okay,
But I know the question, I'm supposed to write the question like 70 plus 2 times 5.
yes, you have to supposed to write a whole question, then we have to solve the solution. Okay,
Okay.
70, is it plus or divide between 2? 70 and 2
Yeah.
plus. Okay, 70 plus 2 multiply by 5. Is it plus? Plus 3.
Yeah.
Okay, plus 3 of 10, then minus 60 divided by 6. Now you have to look on the screen. Remember that the solution, now here we have to follow the odd mass rule. Which rule? Odd mass rule. And odd mass rule like O, D, M, A, S. So here we have the off. Off means standard form of odd mass rule. Off here. So first we have to solve the O, then D, then M, then A and S. So here the off is between 3 and 10. Okay, now I have to remove the off and I have to put the which sign? Multiplication. Remember that if there is any off between two numbers, we have to multiply that numbers. Okay,
Okay, 3 times 10.
yes, 70. Let me explain first. You have to listen, understand, then you have to write. Okay,
Okay.
70 plus 2 multiply by 5 plus, now I have to put the sign. We have to follow the step by step. Okay, we cannot jump and we don't have to miss the steps. Okay, so I have to put multiplication sign here. 3 into 10 minus 60 divided by 6. Okay, now I have to solve this multiplication sign first because of off. 70 plus 2 multiply by 5 plus 3 into 10 30 minus 60 divided by 6, and then now I have to follow the D rule, which is the division rule.
Division.
Now the division is between 60 and 6. Can you give me the answer?
6.
Very good. 70 plus 2 into 5 plus 30. So when we
Minus.
divide 60 into 6, answer is
6.
6. Is it correct?
Mm-hmm.
If we divide 6 ones are 6, 0 into 0, I guess 10. 10. Answer is 10. Yes, 10. So after the division, we have to solve the multiplication. Multiplication is between
2 and 5.
2 and 5. 70 into 2 5s are
10.
very good. Now plus 30 minus 10. Now after the multiplication, we have to do the
Addition.
addition. Addition between how many numbers do we have addition?
2
1, 2, 3. 3 numbers. Okay. Firstly, we have to solve these two. 70 plus 10 plus 30, 40. minus 10. Now we have to add 70 plus 40.
That will be 110.
110. Now we have to do the subtraction. Subtraction between 110 is
100.
100. Can you check the answer is correct or not?
Okay.
Now help. The question is question number exercise 2b, question number B. Okay.
Yes. 7
7
plus
plus
square bracket
12
12
minus
curly bracket 8
8
plus
3 minus
circle bracket
okay
9
of
of 6
6 plus 1 minus 13
multiplied by 4.
Now I have to close all of them.
Yeah. Circle bracket.
Okay. Now we got the BODMAS rule and then ODMAS rule in a simple expression. So I have of also here. I have the brackets. I have to do the ODMAS rule as well. Which rule will solve first? So if we have brackets, if we have of, and if we have number of operation, we have to follow this rule, BODMAS rule. Okay, which rule?
Okay. BODMAS.
BODMAS. So before going to the BODMAS, we have to solve the brackets first. So first bracket is this small bracket here. So I have to solve this small bracket, and inside the small bracket I have to follow the ODMAS rule. Okay. So let me write here 7 plus 12 minus curly bracket 8 plus 3. I have to put of in the place of. I have to put which sign in the place of multiplication. 6 plus 1 minus 13 plus 4, and then we have to close the all brackets. Now here first I have to solve this operation. Okay, 7 plus 12 minus into 8 plus 3, 9 into 6, 9 into 6, 54 plus 1 minus 13 multiplied by 4, and then we have curly bracket. Now we have to solve this whole bracket, but inside the bracket I have to follow the ODMAS rule. First one will be solved multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Okay, I have to write this whole question here. 13, sorry, not the 13,
You can't copy paste it.
no, it is just a whiteboard. I can't copy paste, but I can do a one thing. Okay, now I can write.
You take a screen for it.
Yes, is equal to 7 plus square bracket 12 minus curly bracket 8 plus 3. Then we have to solve the multiplication first here. Okay, multiplication. 54 plus 1. The multiplication is between 13 and 4. What will be the answer of 13 and 4?
13 and 4.
Give me the answer.
Multiplication, right?
Yes, multiplication.
14 times 4 is, both these are 12, 2, 1, 1, 52.
52. Okay, now I have to close all these brackets. Again I have to do the, now here I have to do the which rule? After the multiplication I have to do the addition. 54 plus 1,
55.
55 minus 52. Then I have to close the each bracket. Then what is the answer?
The answer will be 55 minus 52 is 3.
3. No, what I have to do here?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Yes, 3 multiplied by 3. 7 plus 12 minus 8. 3 into 3, 9. And now this bracket is closed. Finish. Now we have to put this. Now I have to solve the curly bracket. Okay, 7 plus 12 minus. Now we have to add 8 plus 9
8 plus 9
is 17.
17.
Now I have to solve this square bracket.
Okay, square bracket 12 minus 17 is 7 minus 2 is 5.
5. Now what sign will be here?
What?
Yes, you gave me the answer. 12 minus 17 is 5. But according to the rule, we have to put the sign with the answer, the number which is the bigger one. Here is a 17 bigger one, and 17 got the minus. So answer will be minus 5. Okay,
Minus
and
5.
plus minus minus, then we have to do the 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5.
Then after the 12 minus 7.
Yes,
then what
answer
did
is
you put?
minus 5.
Okay.
Okay, and by solving this bracket, answer is plus minus minus, and 7 minus 5, 2. Okay,